Hello, investors and investors. Today we wanted to give you an update on the progress we made on our game. We were told the team wanted to streamline everything with the instructions. And so we have an early version of what that would look like. Called Triangle Giant. You can take any, complex task and simplify it for our audience and developers. And that's not all we can do. If you like Ghostbusters 2, you'll like the second thing. Check it out. That's right, animation dependent on in-game stimuli through high-tech. And if you want to save some money on authors and writers, you can respond to what I say. Okay, it's early version, but it'll write stuff, words, depending on, the current event, what's going on in the game. Because this is our second, meeting, I think it would be funny if we, could ask for for this wicked nasty technology. So, do we have a deal?